Hello my fellow crafters, welcome to my channel. Thank you for spending your time with me. Today I'm going to show you my must-have supplies for basic jewelry making, starting with simple hand tools. Remember, all of these tools, most of all hand tools, are a personal choice based on preference, hand size, storage space, etc. Along with hand tools, you will also need at least some of the following supplies to complete your project of choice. Remember, these are just my must-have basic supplies. If you have any requests for videos or just a question, please let me know in the comments section or contact me on my socials. I urge my fellow crafters to start a conversation in the comments section telling us your must-have supplies. Music used and links to supplies mentioned in the video will be in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video, please share with a friend. Comment, like, and subscribe to this channel for more helpful content. Remember to hit that bell for notifications when I upload a new video. Thank you for watching, and stay crafty, my friends.